Where did you go so fast, lucky boy? Huh? Oh, hi! Always gotta run by me. Where you going? Did you want something to eat? Lucky boy, did you want something to eat? Come on. There he sits. He just asked for something to eat, and there he sits. Lucky boy. Come on, kitty, 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 kitty. Come on. No, he's not. So, we will get this party started without him. This one's his dish. Oops. I'm going to put some in Simba's as well. Might as well. And we'll see which one he comes and gets, because he'll be up. You watch. Lucky boy. Come get your supper, babe. Come on, lucky boy. Come get supper. Hi. Look, there's supper in your dish. Come on. Look. Huh. Come get some supper. Yeah. Come on in. Yeah. You'll probably go to that dish. You're okay. No, you're okay. A little piece of Lucky's history. When he was first found, he had blue eyes. Yes. Didn't you? Huh? Lucky boy? Didn't you? Yeah, you did. His neck was wrapped around one of them fish nets. And, yeah. And we rescued him. He still had blue eyes, didn't you? Yeah, you did. And he looks just like his daddy. Yep. Daddy's jowls might have been a little bit bigger. And he was rescued at my mother's. My stepfather and step-uncle rescued him. He was a stray. He was born stray. Mom and Dad were stray. We tried to capture Mom and Dad, but it didn't work. We would have captured her pregnant, but couldn't catch them. But we were able to catch this sweet little boy, lucky boy, but he's still scared. No collars. About 3 times in his whole life, I think he's 6, 3 times in his whole life, I tried to put collars on him, and it took him a week each time. Second time, I think it took a little long. Third time, I think it took a little longer. So yeah, that's the story about my sweet lucky boy. And he's still skittish. If he's in the chair at your level, he seems to be more happier. But when you tower above him, he just scared you're going to pick him up. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Come on, lucky boy. Come on. Come on. You know you want to. Come on. Come on. You wanted this because you asked for it. Yes. Come on. I'm not going to pick you up. I promise. I promise. See, it just likes keeping your arms length. Yeah. Just as long as you got no other agenda. All right. That's the story of my lucky boy. I have to leave or he won't eat. He'll probably go up the hall before me, though. Yeah. There he goes anyway. Bye. What? What's the matter? You come back for more lovin's. Say hi, everyone. Yeah, special treat. Did you want something? Lucky boy, did you want something? Oh, that's the way to go outdoors. Is that what you want? Oh. Oh, okay. What do you want? Lucky boy. What do you want, babes? What do you want? Come here. Oh. Oh. Do you want to go outdoors? Okay. Here I come. Okay. I go first? Yeah? Okay. I go first. Yeah, you follow. Come on. Yeah, you follow. Yep. Say goodbye, everyone. And down the stairs he goes. Bye, lucky boy. Please like and subscribe and hit that bell if you like what you see. Please share. Bye, buddy.